Hello, today I will be telling you how you can install Windows 10 on VMware workstation. So you need to open it and click on create new virtual machine, and you need to make it custom because you need to decide RAM and other requirements also. So custom, next. Okay, so you need to select an ISO where it is located. So I will browse for my location and select the required ISO in order to install Windows 10. Click next. Okay, you need to install Windows, so you have to click Windows here, and the version, if you want to install 64-bit, 32-bit, so you need to click here. Okay, so this is the location where it will be installed. So I want it to be on D drive, so I will change my location. Okay, now the location is selected. Press next, and I will give this machine 1 as a name for the machine and click next. Make it UEFI. These are the boot modes, BIOS mode, sorry. Yeah, so you need to decide RAM here, how much RAM you need to give. I will assign 2 GB as the minimum requirements is 2 GB. So this is the calculation. If you want to assign 1 GB, 2 GB, 3 GB and 4 GB, so you need to give here this proportion for the MBs in order to assign GB RAM. (1024 MB) means 1 GB, 2048 MB means 2 GB, 3072 MB means 3 GB, and whereas 4096 MB means 4 GB. So in my case, as I said, I will take 2 GB RAM and will put 2048 MB there. Okay, click next. Make it this option, the second one. Click next. Click next. And you need to create a virtual hard disk. So I will create a virtual hard disk and I will give it 30 GB. So click on the stored. It's split into the multiple files because you can easily reinstall. So this is the name and location. You can see it will be installed here, and finish. As you can see, we have successfully configured all the hardwares. Now we need to install it and close. then power in the virtual machine, power on the virtual machine. Then you need to power on this one. Press any key to boot. I will be pausing the video in order to make this process fast. Okay, so click next, install now. I don't have a project key. And the OS you need to install, in my case it's Pro. I accept the license and next, custom, and you can press next. So it will take some time. Restart now. It will make your device ready. And it will restart again. Click United States initially, press next, and the keyboard US, yes. You need to skip this one. Set up for personal use. An offline account. So it will, if you will create an offline account, it will make your local account. Whereas if you click on online account, it will take you your Hotmail account and you need to sign in. So I will provide a name for this, machine 1, as I provided the VMware name also. Click next, and I will give the password. Reconfirming the password, and the security questions. So I prefer normally as answering the question the same answer. So I will put 2021 in each of the sections. So once when you forgot the password, so if you want to recover it with the security questions, you will remember easily and you can recall very easily. There is no restriction that you have to put different answers in each section. Okay, click next. Disabled all these which are being enabled here, and you have to press accept. Not now. This is an assistant which will guide you over the installation. Meantime, I do not want, and I will click not now. So it will prepare your desktop now, and it will take some time in order to view desktop screen. Successfully opened, and we have successfully installed the operating system Windows 10.